Hi friends, this is Sujil. Today we are going to see how to insert tables in LaTeX. So in this video we are going to use an online tool to insert tables in LaTeX. So let us start with the today's video. Here you can see the first document that we have created in our previous videos. The link of that video is given in the description box. So for inserting tables in LaTeX, first we will go to Google, then we will search online LaTeX table generator. You can see the window here. Click over this link. It will direct you into a page as shown in the screen. So this is the LaTeX online table generator. So here you can see different options which is given. Let us see one by one. Here you can see file which is used to create new tables. You can save the table, you can load table, and you can copy paste table data over here, etc. You can do using this tab. And here you can see an edit option that can be used to undo or redo the changes that you have made in the table while you are creating the table. Next, here there is an option of table. You can see this set size can be used to set the size of the table. Here you will have another option which is clear table. Here you can see the option of clear the formatting of the table. If you want to transpose a table, you can use this tab. And here you can see if you want to add borders either in vertical manner or in horizontal manner, you can use these options which is given here. And also similarly you can use remove all border option to remove the borders of the table. Here you can see column where you can insert the columns either to the left side or to the right side. Similarly in this tab row you can insert the row above or below. Next you can see cell. Here you will have two options. If you want to merge two cells, you can use this option. If you want to split a cell into 2 or 3 cells, you can use these options. So now let us directly go and see how can we generate a table using this online table generator. So first we will go to here and we'll click over here new table, so that it will ask how many rows and columns you need to create. Suppose I want to create a 3 row and 4 columns, so I can write 4. Now you can click over here and create the table. So you can see that here you have 1, 2, 3 rows and 4 columns. Table is generated here. Now suppose you need to enter some entries. You can click here and you can write here serial number. Second, if you want to write subject 1 mark, and you want to write subject 2 mark, and if you want to write subject 3 mark. Now let us see if you want serial number 1, serial number 2. Similarly you can write. Next, subject 1 mark. Suppose if we need to write 45 marks, and the subject 2 mark for the second person is 34 mark. If subject 2 mark 42, 43, and if you want to write here 44, you can write here. If you want to add the mark of the first students is 56, you can write 56. If you want to write here as 50 marks, you can write 50. So this is the table that we need to put it in LaTeX. So let's see how we can do that. So once you create the tables like this, then you will have different options that I can see. If you want to make these indexes in bold, you can use this. If you want to make it italic, you can make it italic. If you want to make underline, you can use underline. So what I am going to do is I am just using this as bold, and similarly if you want to do the placement of this table, you can select all these together. If you want to left align, you can use that. If you want to central align, you can use that. If you want to align this in right side, you can use this. So we are going to use it to centrally align the table. So now you need to generate the code. So you can press this code, generate here. So once you click generate, it is generated a code over here. So now we need to take this code into that LaTeX document. For that you need to select from here. You can have Control C, you can copy it. Now we need to go to this file. Now let us see if we want to put this table below the introduction. So you can have an ender here. You can just put it this table here. Now let us see by running this document how the table is going to appear on the PDF documents. So now let us you can see that the table is coming at the bottom of the page, but actually we need that just below the introduction. So how can you bring this table to the place where you want? So if you want here, you need to write here H, that means here. Then let's see what will happen. So I am running this table. You can see the table come at the place where you need to put it exactly. So similarly, if you want to place this table at the top of the page, you can write T. Let us run this table, then see. Yes, it is coming at the top of the page, but you may have one doubt that why it is not coming at this top, because here we have already the title of the article, so we don't have any space to put the table here. So it is automatically taking to the top of the second page. And if you want to make it at the bottom of the any page, you can write B. So it will come to the bottom of the page, first page. So it is coming here. So now let us keep it at the place below the introduction. So I am writing here H here and running it again. So we can see that the table is now appearing just below the introduction. So now let us see how can we add borders to this document. So you can go here, we can select this, you can select this table, and you can have one option here, add all borders. So you just click it over here and you go to generate, Now you can see it is generated and another code. So you need to copy this code from here and you need to go to your document. Let us see, we need to put it below this this table. So you can put it here and you just run it. You can see how the table is going to appear here. So it is also coming here due to the same reason. If you want to bring it up, you can write here H. So it is coming here. So you can see here. So now we know how to add the borders to the table. Now one thing missing is we need to add captions to this table. So let us see how can we do that. For that we need to go here. Here you will have another option which is extra option. So click it over here. You can see here caption and label. So here you have two options, caption above and caption below. That means if you want to keep the caption above the table, you can use above. If you want to keep the caption below the table, you can use caption below. I am going to use caption above so that the label will appear at the caption will appear at the top of the table. So here it is coming as caption. So here what you want to do, you need to write the caption of your table, which is my first table in LaTeX. Now you need to again generate the code. So the code is generated here. Now you need to copy this code and go to your LaTeX file, and we are going to paste this below this table. So you can paste here, you can paste here. So let us see what will happen. So it is coming here at the bottom. Again we need to bring it up. So you need to write here H, and you can see from here that here the table number you can see, and here there is no table number for these two tables because we have not provided any caption to this table. So the table number is not appearing for these two tables. So let us bring the table first to the top. So you can see here that tables comes up right now. Now in some IEEE papers you may see that the border you need only here in the after this first, and here you may need the border line of 2 lines. Then how can we do that? For that, if you want to remove any border, you can do one thing. Suppose you need to remove these vertical lines from this table. How can you do? You can see that in this table I am going to copy this table again and pasting it below so that we can edit from here. We can edit from here. So this is the new table. I am going to run it again. Now you can see the table number 2 is going to appear over here. Table number 2 is going to appear here because here there is not enough space for this table, so it is moving to the another page. And here you want to remove now these vertical lines, so you can remove it by deleting these lines. I am going to delete these lines, vertical lines like this, Now let's see by running this what changes are going to appear in this table. So now you can see all the vertical lines are now removed. And if you want to remove the line between this 1 and 2, you can see that you can remove it by, when here the 1 is starting from here and the 2 is starting from here, in between you can see that there is a H line here. So if you remove this line, you can see that the line in between 1 and 2 is going to disappear. Some IEEE papers, you can see that the top border consists of 2 lines. So let's see how to bring these 2 lines in this table. So if I want to add one more line on this top of this table, so what I need to do is, here you can see just before this serial number, there is an H line. So after that you add a space, then you write /H line. Now let's see by running this code what changes are going to appear in this table. So now you can see here there is a double line in this table, and this is the standard format of writing the tables in the IEEE papers. So now in this video we learned how to insert tables in LaTeX. In next video we will see how can we insert figures in this LaTeX. I hope this video is helpful for you. So please like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you.